Okay, so this is how I would set up a keyboard so I could use it for a performance. So I've got my MIDI keyboard and it's got a USB cable that obviously doesn't have sounds travelling down it, it only has MIDI data going down it. So the bits of data it's got is the note I'm pressing in terms of the particular number it is, how hard I've pressed it, when I've pressed that note, and then when I take my finger off it. The next thing I'm going to need to do on my computer is I'm going to need to create a track so I can obviously have something I'm going to record to, which I do like this. And then from there, I then can just quickly record something in that we can then edit. So if I press record, so I've got a simple melody that I've played, and at the moment it's on that sound. If I wanted to change the sound, I can just change it over here by picking something else. So I'm going to pick a guitar, and I'm going to pick this one. Let's see what this is like. Oh, I've had a keyboard, not a guitar. If I wanted to edit some of those bits of MIDI data, I go to Window and then open Event List. And from here, it shows the point that I played the note, the fact that it is a note, which MIDI channel it's on, which particular note number it was that I pressed, so in this case C4, how hard I pressed it, which was 70, and then how long I pressed it for, which effectively is telling me the note off. So those are the key bits of information there. I can obviously edit it there, or if I wanted to, I can also play around with the quantize function, which will change the rhythm so either tighten it up, which is these top ones, or if I wanted to go for something very extreme, I could pick something like this, which would change the sound completely. After that, other things I can do, I can also add effects on here. If I scroll this up slightly, let's see. Yeah. I've got some choices. I've got audio effects that I can add, and you can see there's already quite a few that are added into those sounds automatically, but I can also add some more here by doing this, and I can also add MIDI effects if I go here, and they're different effects that will affect the way the sound is actually played. If I wanted to create another track, so I had more things going on at once, I simply add another track under here and record it in. That's it.